Hello, my name is Tyger, and today I will show you how to make a musical instrument. Well, the things we will be needing is a can, paint to decorate it, and a stick to use it for making a drum or other noises. Well, the first thing I'll be doing is to paint the can to decorate it. Well, I am done painting my instrument. Now I'll let it dry. Well, now that we have painted our drum, we are now going to make the sticks. What we will be needing is a stick and a ball that we can stick the stick inside the ball. Now we have the sticks. So now the drum is done. Okay, now that we're done with making the drums, with the same can we used, we're going to flip it, and we'll be also needing beans and a cutted balloon to make a maraca. Okay, well that was easy, we're done. And now we can make our favorite rhythm with the maraca. With the same things we made the drum and the maraca, we're going to make the güiro. Funny name, right? Well, the güiro is a Latin's American's instrument. With the same sticks we used to make use for the drum, we just rasp it here, and with rhythm if you want. Did you know, depending on how fast or slow or where you put it makes different sounds? Like, for example, I'm going to make it fast, but on metal. Now I'm going to do it slow. And now we're going to switch it. Isn't that cool? For the maraca, the metal side. Now we're going to switch it to the cutted balloon. Do you hear that bong, bong, unk sound? How cool is that? Last, we're going to do it with the güiro. This one is depending how fast or slow you go. And now, slow. Cool, am I right? So yeah, you don't have to go to a store to buy an instrument to make music. Music is everywhere. What we made just here is a 3 musical instrument that can play. The drum can be used for the maraca and the güiro. So you can also do one at home. All we just need to do is look around us and we may find the things we need for what we needed here was just a can, beans, a cutted balloon, some sticks, and a ball that we can stop the stick in. Easy. Well, conclusion. And sound is everywhere. During the video, you might be hearing birds and cars. Sound is everywhere. Even my voice is sound, and not just music, but even everything.